Hi everyone. In today's lecture, I will tell you about a very common issue that almost every dev experience from time to time. Okay, the issue is that whenever you try to install the APK on some real device, so most of the times you get an error known as failed to install APK on device due to timeout error. Okay, so this is the most common error, but most of the people don't know how to solve this. Okay, so there are four possible solutions of this issue. So the first solution that we will going to learn is uh, see, whenever you try to install the APK on some real device. Okay, so for that you will need to click on file. Okay, then click on settings. From here you will need to expand this tools. Okay, inside this tools just click on these tasks. Okay, so here you can see that connection timeout, so you can increase this as much as you can. Okay, you can set it at as 50,000 or anything you like. Okay, after then you can apply and okay, press ok. Okay, so after this the connection timeout will be increased, so there will be very less chances for the connection to be break. Okay, between your phone and your ID. Okay, so the second possible solution is to run the adb commands. Okay, so if you don't know how to run the adb commands, so you can watch my previous video in which I've told in the detailed description that in the detailed explanation that how to run the adb commands. Okay, okay, so there are two commands, adb commands, that you will have to run in your terminal. Okay, so first one is adb kill server. Okay, so when you will press enter, the server will be killed. Okay, and after that you'll have to run another command which is adb start server. Okay, so it will restart the server, and after that if you will try to run your apk on any real device, so uh, there are many chances that it will get installed in your phone without any kind of error. Okay, so the third option is very common that all devs know, that you can just invalidate the cache and restart your android system. So after that, when after the restarting of your IDE, you can run the APK. Okay, and the fourth and the most common issue that every dev faces with their data cables. Okay, so sometimes it happens that your data cable is not perfectly connected to your phone, so that's why most of the time the connection gets broke. Okay, so try to change the port or try to change the data cable. Okay, so after that uh, these are the four most common solutions of this issue. So I hope that you'll find this very helpful. So if you have found this useful, so please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for all the latest updates. Also like the video and share it in your circle. Thank you so much.